Hello and welcome to another vlog here in the home garden. How's your grass? Have you cut your grass lately? This video is all about grasses, and I've recently become almost enchanted by grasses, and this is these are some of the grasses that I've been growing as from last year, I suppose. So here I've got a couple of grasses that I'm sort of cultivating. Only a small collection at the moment, so only about 3 actually. But I'm going to add to this as the years go on. I really like these ornamental grasses, and unlike things like couch grass or the invasive species which send out runners and you just can't get rid of them, these ornamental grasses are not invasive. They're clumping varieties that do really well in pots. This is a Melica. This one I got off Premier Seeds Direct. I bought a packet of seeds, £1.99 I think they were, or 99 pence, and only one of those germinated. So only one of those germinated, and it put on a great show this year. Now I want to make more of these plants, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to collect some of these seeds, and I'll show you how to do that, and then save the seeds and pack them. So I'll show you how to do that. Here we've got a what's known as a ribbon grass. This ribbon grass, it does well in boggy conditions. We've had this for a few years, but it needs dividing. So I'm going to divide that up into pots and let it's a bit pot bound at the moment. It's coming to the end of its life, obviously. It's had a good summer. And at the back here, this one is one that we got from, it's got a Love in the Mist growing rogue there. It's a Red Baron in Pertia, which is just beautiful. Hasn't put on any seed heads at the moment, but it's growing. Again, I got that last year for about £1.99 in Lidl. So that's really growing really well. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to show you how I collect these seeds. So it has been raining, but it's best to do this on a dry day. You can tell the seeds that have developed and are ready for harvesting by the difference in colour. In the ornamental flowering stage, they're a purpley colour, and when the seeds are ready, they go very much like this. So what I'm going to do is these browny dry seeds, just pull them out the stem, and they should come off really easily. It's important that the seeds are ripe before you even attempt to harvest them, because otherwise you're wasting your time. There we go. That should be enough. So I'm going to take these inside now. So now we're in the kitchen. You will need a pencil, some empty packets of seeds, or what did have seeds in them, and you can use them to store these in. A plate, something like that, and the container it comes in. Oh, also a bit of kitchen roll. So first thing you need to do is these seeds are in little pockets inside of here, so you need to scrunch all this up very much like this. In fact, what I'll do is I'll actually put these out here. You will see the seeds beginning to fall out there. You see that? So it is important to separate the seeds from the husks. The seeds being heavier than the husks, they will fall to the bottom of the plate, like so. Now, I did say about the seeds being heavier than the husks. So for this next stage, you see them just blow away there with the gust of wind. I'm just going to gently blow the husks away. And there we have it. I'll clean these up, ready for storage. There's a few husks still left in there, so I'm going to take these inside and clean them up. See that? It's like magic, collecting seeds. So I'm going to do this bit inside where there's no wind. This is just the clean up process, and I'm going to do it on a piece of kitchen towel. So let's transfer them onto there. So to help me along, I've got a little spatula. So just take these off, bits of husks. Some of these may have seeds in, but how many seeds do you need really, in reality? Okay, that's more or less it. There are more seeds there than you'd get in a packet of seeds. There must be, what, at least 300 seeds there? Something like that. How many seeds are you going to plant? Anyway, next stage is to label and date, make some notes, if you like, on your seed packets. And there we have it. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this short video on harvesting ornamental grass seeds. That harvesting method, by the way, you can use for loads of plants. There's loads of ways of doing it, and it's the same process for all of them. In this day and age, when we're trying to save a bit of money, harvesting your own seeds is a good way of doing that. What I didn't tell you about grasses is that if you're going to plant grasses from seed, that you do it in the springtime. You actually start sowing in about February or March, and they need to be in either full sun or partial shade to do the best. They will grow in virtually any conditions. They're really easy to grow, and they're so decorative, particularly in pots if you've got a pot garden like ours at home. But they will do well in borders and anywhere where you need some movement and decorative. They come in thousands of different varieties. Grasses are the most numerous of all plants and the most successful of plants across the face of the earth. They're fantastic species of grasses, and people do become a bit obsessed with them. I've noticed that. So I'm getting a bit like that myself. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I might do a follow-up video in the spring showing how I plant these out and how they get on, because it's quite an interesting subject to cover. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next vlog. Bye.